A super delicious crab recipe for you na kaya nyong gawin sa bahay on a special occasion. Sweet chili crabs with vegetables. Let's start cooking! So, meron akong alimasag dito. Blue crabs, pwede ito sa alimango, pwede sa shrimp, pwede sa lobster. O, diba? Pag gusto nyong bonggang-bongga. Season with salt lang and pepper. Very easy to do. So, what I will do now is I will dredge, o dredge siya. Look at that. Dredge it in cornstarch. No? And ito, simpleng prito natin siya. Done. Eh, maluluto pa naman siya in our sauce. So, once it's already orange, you can put it aside. So, I will prepare my sauce. Ito siya. This is around 1 cup of ready-made sweet chili sauce. Depende sa brand na gusto mo. And oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Then now, I will saute everything. Sibuyas, garlic, dapat mabawang, masarap, and ginger. Ang seafood and ginger go very well together. I will also saute my green and red bell pepper. Ito, sobrang bango, sobrang sarap. I will also saute my carrots, kasi yung carrots, dahil medyo matagal maluto yung ating carrots. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. Ito na yan. Ang bango-bango. Grabe. I will add my sauce. Very sticky. I will just add a little water, around half a cup of water, to dilute our sauce para hindi siya masyadong overly rich. Ito, titikman ko ha. I'm sure, sauce pa lang, ulam na. Very thick, very rich. Now, I will add my crabs. And I will add my cauliflower. Ito, cook na tong cauliflower ko, kaya konting toss lang to. And some cabbage. All the flavor is coming together to let all the flavors really pop. Ito, chili flakes. And sesame oil. Ito. Winner na winner yung ating recipe for today. And it's done. Look at that, no? Sobrang dali lang ng ating recipe, kaya gawin nyo na whenever you have the chance. So masarap. Grabe. If you love seafood and you love crab specifically, try this recipe. Ang ating pinabonggang sweet chili crab with vegetables. Simple!